Hey, that's fun.
Don't you dare lose that until we get a picture of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, once we get a picture of it, you can lose it.
Gee, you're nice.
Yeah. I want to see what kind of sea monster it is. This is really interesting that it took it on the surface.
Well, it's been a long time, but we used to catch calico on the surface.
Yeah.
Sandy every now and then.
Yeah, as much drag as this pulled, I'm guessing white sea bass.
You think so?
Yeah.
That would be nice.
I'm just hoping that knot holds.
Knot?
Yeah, that big old tangle in your line.
No, it's over on that one.
Oh, okay.
This is your rod. You need help there with it? You want one of us to spell?
Well, if you move over, he can sit down and reel.
Here, go. I mean, you know, we're going to give you geriatric privileges.
I'm kind of wondering if we're going to need, if that's going to be.
I don't have the bottom.
No, well, I'm sure. I'm positive. It's coming.
It's sure taking a long time.
Maybe it's the propeller that he's got. That's why it's pulling drag. Don't bring it up so high. Oh, there he came. Yeah. Slow down. Don't be yanking on it like that. There he is. Oh, it's big. Oh no. Oh no. That's too bad.
What is it?
It's a sunfish. A moa. You just snagged him is all.
Okay, get him undone. I get his picture, huh?
Yep.
It's in. Oh man, sunfish.
Yep.
Okay, you got his picture. First, when I saw that flat body, I thought, that's a halibut. I didn't even think of it.
Well, I saw the flash, and I was still thinking white sea bass. Oh, how in the world? Well, it's one thing you don't have to worry about him flip-flopping. He does all that swimming with just those top and bottom fins.
How do I hold them?
I don't know. You know, those things are just all bone.
In the eye. Just around the edge.
They're just all bone. I don't even think that there's anything edible on them. They're not protected. Man, that pulled drag. I never saw him.
No, I didn't either. Okay, now. Here, I'll get him. I'll get him, Roger. I got the gloves on.
Well, you want to take my picture, don't you?
Well, hell.
No? That camera.
Turn it around, turn around,
Man, I'll
Roger.
tell you, Mr. Hollywood here.
You move your hand, your bottom hand, turn it around so that.
Isn't that a beauty?
Yeah. Let me see his mouth.
Wait a minute.
I flashed it.
Did it click?
Can you sit back and
Okay.
sit back and sit on the edge? There you go. There you go. They fight hard, don't they?
Yeah, holy smokes. Okay. Did you hear it click?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does he have teeth or a bill or what? A beak?
See what he looks like. Looks like more like a beak.
He's got a mouth. Working.
No gills, huh? Oh, little bitty gills, huh?
Yeah. It's like a bony plate. Yeah, a bony plate.
Okay.
Okay. Just like that.
Is
You got
there
it
any
up.
meat on that thing at all?
That's pretty solid, huh?
Yeah. Just,
Yeah, I'm impressed.
that would be a belly
Fun.
right there.
Okay.
Woke us all up.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh man, look at him go. Just like that.
Yeah.